Namaste Gurukunians, how are you? I hope you will be fit and fine at your home and doing your study work which is uploading to you through WhatsApp. So as you know that we are doing class NCERT class 7 Geography chapter 2 Inside Our Earth. As I have earlier said to you that I have divided this chapter into two parts. First part has been discussed with you in previous lecture, in which I tell you, which I told you that our Earth is a wonderful planet. It is a dynamic planet and it is comprised of three layers. Three layers are crust, mantle, and core. Crust is the uppermost layer. Beneath the crust is mantle, and beneath and in the center of the earth is the core. So it is just like an onion. Like onion, have you wondered? Have you go around the peeling of onions? There are layers of it has layers. Similarly, our earth has layers, and it is broadly divided into three categories: crust, mantle, core. These three have been discussed with you in the previous classes: crust, mantle, and core. Last time we had left on the types of rocks. You know that there are three types of rocks. What are rocks? Our earth crust is made of various types of rocks. What is rocks? Rocks is any natural mass of mineral matter. So this is the definition of rocks. Okay. So in previous class, I have described you igneous rocks. Igneous rocks. What is the source of igneous rocks? When the molten magma cools, it becomes solid. You know what is magma? Magma is a fiery red molten liquid that comes from eruption of volcanoes. Okay, तो when it comes, जब ये बाहर आता है तो ये एकदम ठंडा हो जाता है और ठंडा होने के बाद ये किस रूप में बदल जाता है? इग्नियस रॉक्स, जिसको हम हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? अग्नि चट्टानें। अग्नि तो मतलब ये मैग्मा जो बिल्कुल फायरिंग होता है, आग होती है, बाहर आता है, उसके बाद पिघल जाता है। पिघला हुआ मैग्मा जब बाहर आके ठंडा हो जाता है तो ये इग्नियस रॉक्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है। ओके, सो इट हैज बीन डिस्क्राइब्ड टू यू इन द प्रीवियस क्लास पार्ट 1. नाउ टुडेस आवर लेक्चर इज अबाउट सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स, मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स, rock cycle and minerals. Okay, so first we start sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks means sediments का पेयर कण, particle fragments, जिनको हम कहते हैं अवसाद. Okay, so this is sedimentary rocks. So rocks roll down, hit each other and break into smaller fragments or particles, or called sedimentary rocks. You know that rocks roll down, घूमती है, गिरती है, लुढ़कती है, and hit each other, एक दूसरे के साथ टकराती है, and break into smaller fragments, वो छोटे छोटे कणों में बढ़ जाती है। टूटने के बाद छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स में, फ्रैगमेंट्स में बढ़ जाती हैं। उनको क्या कहते हैं? सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स। अवसादी चट्टानें, उनको अवसादी चट्टानें कहते हैं। These sediments are transported. अब ये जो sediments होते हैं ये एक ही अपने आप चलकर नहीं आ सकते. This cannot transport by itself. So how they transported? They are transported by wind, water, etc. Like rivers, they wash out them. Wind blew out them. So through these the two channels. These two channels, wind, water. Through these two channels, these sediments, these particles, these fragments transported one place to another. After this, what happened? Compressed and hardened. These are compressed, वजन पड़ता है, बैठ जाते हैं, and hardened और कठोर हो जाते हैं. तो ये पार्टिकल्स जो चट्टानों के टकराने से, रोल डाउन होने से, ब्रेक छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स में डिवाइड होने के बाद जो पानी से, हवा से उड़कर एक जगह इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं, these are called sedimentary rocks. इनको sedimentary rocks कहता है. कंप्रेस होने के बाद, हार्डन होने के बाद to form layers of rocks, वो क्या करते हैं? लेयर्स क्रिएट कर लेते हैं किसकी? रॉक्स की, चट्टान बन जाते हैं. These types of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. These are unique rock. This is very informative, very important, very important segments. These rocks are also contain fossil plants, animals, and other microorganisms once we found them. So in these there are fragments of rocks which are heated by each other, rolled down by or rolling down by, and apart from these, what are the constituents in this? Then in these fossil plants, animals, and other microorganisms. So in these sedimentary rocks, these particles are also found. So this is our second. What are the sedimentary rocks? The rocks that are formed through the sediments of rocks hitting, rolling, and after rolling, hitting, these are divided into small particles, and these are transported, transformed, compressed, and hardened becomes the sedimentary rocks. Now we come on the third rocks. This is metamorphic rocks. What is metamorphic? Metamorphic is a Greek word which means has change of form. It means metamorphic is a Greek word. बेटा, what is the meaning of this word? Change of form, जिसका अपना रूप ही बदल जाए. इसको हम हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? कायांतरिक चट्टानें, अवसादी चट्टानें, आग्नेय चट्टानें, अवसादी चट्टानें जो अवसादों से बनती है, कणों से बनती है, और तीसरी है मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक, इसको हम कहते हैं कायांतरिक चट्टानें. So what has been written? Igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rocks under great heat and pressure. So it is the combination of two rocks. It means igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. So when the igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks change, there is a lot of heat, pressure. When there is a lot of heat and pressure, the sedimentary rocks and igneous rocks change into metamorphic rocks. It means it is the combination of the two. We can say that what is this? Igneous plus sedimentary is equal to metamorphic. So So these are igneous and sedimentary combination. These are metamorphic. When there is a lot of heat and pressure, sedimentary and igneous rocks are changed into metamorphic. Kayatic चट्टानें. So sedimentary rocks, the best example is sandstone. Sandstones are the best example of sedimentary rocks. Okay. So what is formed when our heat is created? So sedimentary and igneous rocks makes it change into metamorphic rocks due to the cause of lot of heat and pressure. So what is the example? For example, clay changes into slate, limestone into marbles. Okay, so clay, you know that clay is also, and clay, extreme pressure change clay into slate. You know what is slate, on which we write through chalks. This is also slate. This is also slate, and limestone is into marble, and limestone changes into marble. These are sedimentary and igneous rocks, and due to the lot of heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rocks. So this is our three rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks is the combination of two rocks, sedimentary and igneous, with the cause of lot of heat and pressure. बहुत ज्यादा दबाव पड़ने के बाद, बहुत ज्यादा तापमान में वृद्धि होने के कारण, प्रेशर करंट होने के कारण, और सादी और अग्नेय जो चट्टानें हैं वो कायांतरित चट्टानों में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है. इसका एग्जांपल क्या है? क्ले चेंज हो जाती है स्लेट में, और लाइमस्टोन चेंज हो जाता है मार्बल. So these are the three rocks. What are the uses of rocks? किस चीजों में हम इनको यूज करते हैं? क्या प्रयोग है? किस चीज के लिए हम इनको यूज करते हैं? हार्ड रॉक्स, जो कठोर चट्टानें होती हैं, कठोर पत्थर होते हैं, उनको हम यूज करते हैं मेकिंग रोड्स. यू नो दैट छोटे टाइप के पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, कण होते हैं, पेबल्स होते हैं, स्टोन्स होते हैं, उनको किस चीज के लिए यूज करते हैं? मेकिंग रोड्स, बिल्डिंग्स एंड होम हाउसेस. यू आर ऑल अवेयर ऑफ these things. So these are the uses of rocks. Now our third point is rock cycle. अब जो ये चट्टानें बनती हैं, टूटती हैं, बनती हैं, टूटती हैं, तो ये साइकिल है, एक चक्र है. तो ये कैसे होता है? रॉक साइकिल. What is the rock cycle? The process of transformation of the rocks from one to another is called the rock cycle. So rock cycle जो प्रोसेस होता है, किस चीज का? ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, बदलना. किस चीज में? द रॉक्स फ्रॉम वन टू अनदर, एक का दूसरी में, दूसरी का तीसरी में. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड रॉक साइकिल. एक चट्टान अग्नेय अवसाद में, अवसाद और अग्नेय मेटामॉर्फिक. तो ये क्या होता है? रॉक साइकिल. ये चट्टानों का चक्र कैसे चलता है, इसमें ये बताया. व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन? The rocks from one to another is called rock cycle. So it has been described to you with these 3 points. First is we come on our first point, igneous rocks. How did igneous rocks construct? When the molten magma cools, molten magma which has come from eruption of volcanoes. When the molten magma cools, जब वो बाहर आता है, ठंडा हो जाता है, it solidified to become igneous rocks. ये solidified होके, solidified is कठोर, बिल्कुल सख्त हो जाता है, to become igneous rocks. तो किस चीज का रूप धारण करेगा? Igneous rocks. It becomes igneous rocks. These rocks broken down into small particles when it is constructed because of the lot of chaotic situation. These rocks broken into small particles, they roll, and we have earlier discussed this. They have hit each other, roll down, break into small particles. So these rocks broken down into small particles, छोटे छोटे कणों में बढ़ जाती है. फर्स्ट में क्या आपका आया, मैग्मा बाहर आया, ठंडा हो गया, कठोर हो गया, उसके बाद इग्निस में चेंज हो गया। उसके बाद क्या हुआ, ये बड़ी बड़ी चट्टानी की हुई, रोल डाउन हुई, एक दूसरे के साथ टकराई और छोटे छोटे कणों में बढ़ गई। तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ, these are transformed or deposited from to form sedimentary rocks। तो उनको ट्रांसफॉर्म किया गया, ट्रांसपोर्ट किया गया और किस चीज में कन्वर्ट कर दिया गया, sedimentary rocks। Next, when igneous rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic। When these two we are discussing this again and again, when igneous rocks we are discussing, we are talking about the rock cycle। How did the rock become, कैसे बाहर आया, ठंडा हो गया, उसके बाद कहते हैं कि वो एक दूसरे से टकराई, सेडिमेंट से बदल गई और उसके बाद कहते हैं कि वो सेडिमेंट हो गई। When igneous rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, when these are subjected, igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, when there are overheat and overpressure, they change into metamorphic rocks। So these are changed into metamorphic rocks। The metamorphic rocks again become on the metamorphic rock। The metamorphic rock जिनको हम कायांतरित शैलें कहते हैं, चट्टानें कहते हैं, which are still under great heat and pressure, जो अब भी क्या थी, अंडर प्रेशर थी, अंडर हीट थी। So these are still under great heat and pressure, melt down to form molten magma। These are next melt down, lot of heat and pressure, due to the lot of heat and pressure, these are melt down to form molten magma। These again become to molten magma। Next, these molten magma again can cool down, again this can cool down, दोबारा फिर ठंडा हो गया, दोबारा फिर मैग्मा बदल गया, इसके बाद मैग्मा बाहर आया, ठंडा हो गया and solidified into igneous rocks। और सॉलिडिफाई होने के बाद, कठोर होने के बाद, सख्त होने के बाद, हार्डन होने के बाद वो किसी को चेंज हो गया igneous rocks। So this is the topic, this is the points of rock cycle। कैसे चट्टानें साइकिल में घूमती है, कैसे इग्निस बनती है, अवसादी बनती है, इग्निस और अवसादी के ऊपर ज्यादा प्रेशर आने के बाद हीट का, तो किसी में मेटामॉर्फिक में हो जाती है। मेटामॉर्फिक फिर क्या होता है, कूल वाटर मैग्मा में चेंज होता है, उसके बाद सॉलिडिफाई होने के बाद फिर इग्निस रॉक्स बनते हैं। दिस साइकिल इज रनिंग ऑल द टाइम। सो दिस इज द रॉक साइकिल, दिस इज रॉक साइकिल। सो this is our point, rock cycle। Next, so apart from we have discussed, we have written on the first part that rocks and minerals। So what are minerals? खनिज इसे कहते हैं, जो खनिज होते हैं, जैसे आयरन हो गया, कोयला हो गया, मैग्नीशियम हो गया, ये सारी चीजें हमें कहां से मिलती है, जमीन के अंदर से, पृथ्वी के अंदर से। दिस इज द मिनरल्स, जिनको हम खनिज कहते हैं। सो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मिनरल्स? मिनरल्स आर नेचुरल अकरिंग सब्सटेंसेस। नेचुरल अकरिंग इज जो स्वाभाविक तरीके से होते हैं, उनके लिए हमें कोई मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती, वो ऑटोमेटिकली नीचे तैयार हो जाते हैं। दैट इज द नेचुरल अकरिंग सब्सटेंसेस। तो मिनरल्स आर नेचुरल अकरिंग सब्सटेंसेस which have certain physical properties। उन्हीं के अंदर कुछ फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज है। कोयला देखने में अलग लगता है, लोहा देखने में अलग लगता है, मैग्नीशियम देखने में अलग लगता है। सो दिस फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज में जो आपकी बाहरी शारीरिक जो विशेषताएं होती है वो अलग अलग होती है। दैट इज व्हाई मिनरल्स, व्हाट आर मिनरल्स? नेचुरल अकरिंग सब्सटेंसेस, जो स्वाभाविक तरीके से ही अपने आप ही पैदा हो जाते हैं। So what are the properties of minerals? What are the properties? Have certain physical properties। निश्चित, certain is अलग अलग, sorry, these they have fixed physical properties। Iron has own properties, coal has own properties, natural gas has own properties, iron and Calcium has own properties. These are their own properties. Next, definite chemical composition. They are composed on definite chemical composition. Like when the iron melt, it needs his needed temperature, and like other minerals, other chemical properties are described according to their situation. Okay. Next, so what are the purposes for the minerals? What are the uses of minerals? How do we use minerals? खनिजों को हम कैसे यूज करते हैं, कैसे प्रयोग करते हैं? फ्यूल्स, ईंधन के रूप में. नेक्स्ट, इंडस्ट्रीज, उद्योगों में. नेक्स्ट, मेडिसिन्स, दवाइयों में. मिनरल्स को कैसे करते हैं? फ्यूल्स के रूप में कैसे करते हैं? कोल, पेट्रोलियम एंड नेचुरल गैस. LPG, CNG, these are natural gases. Petroleum, diesel, petrol, and kerosene, these are coal. You all are aware of this. So these are natural occurring substances and fuel. Coal, petroleum, and natural gases are used. Next, in industry we use iron, aluminum, etc. There are so many minerals which are used in industries. Okay. Next, medicines. In medicine we use calcium, phosphorus, magnesium. So these are the uses and these are the properties, and this is the definition, this is the meaning of minerals. So in today's class we discuss about the three rocks. One rock has already been discussed with you in the earlier class. Today we discuss sedimentary rocks which form through the sediments by the rolling of rocks, by the heating of rocks, and next is, and these sediments are transformed through wind, water. Sandstone is the example of this kind of rocks, and other particles, other substances of these rocks are fossil plants and animals and other microorganisms. The third type is metamorphic, which is the combination of sedimentary and igneous rocks due to the overheat and temperature. And the example is clay that is changed into slate, and limestone that is changed into marbles. Uses of rocks are hard rocks are used for making roads, building, houses, etc. Next we discuss about rocks cycle. What are the rock cycle? The process of transformation the rocks from one to another is rock cycle. We discuss how did the igneous rocks constructed, and after that sedimentary rocks, and after that metamorphic rock, and again metamorphic rock changed into igneous rock. So this is the rock cycle. Next we discuss about the minerals. What are the minerals? Minerals are the natural occurring substances. They have certain physical property. They have definite chemical composition. And what are the uses? What are the purpose of minerals? They are used in fuels, industries, and medicines. So these are the minerals. So today this is our topic, and I have completed this chapter, which is divided into two parts. Next, the PDF and the homework will be sent to you through WhatsApp. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.